Hi, my name is Steve with NovaWorks. Today we're going to be taking a look at our XDX technology for XBRL. What we're going to actually discuss in this video is what is XDX, how does it work, and what does it do for me. To answer those questions, let's take a look at a prospectus that has XDX tags. XDX embeds XBRL information into an HTML document. In this sample prospectus shown in GoFiler's page view, you can see several of the paragraphs have symbols in the upper left corner. That means that paragraph has been tagged with XBRL information. If we click on one of these paragraphs, in the management view to the right, you can see which XBRL element is being used on that paragraph. This, for example, is the beginning of our series. If we look at our investment objective, you can see that this is tagged as an objective heading. XBRL elements can be easily removed. For example, this paragraph, if I want to remove the XBRL definition from it, I can go to Delete Summary, and it will remove the XDX information from this paragraph. If I wish to add XDX information, all I have to do is click on the paragraph I want to add information to, go to Mark Summary Text, and choose what element I want to tag this with. If I know the name of the element, I can type it in. If I'm not sure what I need to tag it with, I can go to my element library. GoFiler has a complete element library built in of every available element choice. And using filters, I can narrow down my search. In this case, I'm looking for an objective. There's the element I'm looking for. I can hit OK and apply it to my paragraph. This paragraph has now been tagged with an XDX element. This same concept applies to tables. If we scroll down, the shareholder fees table, looking at the management view, you can see this is tagged as my shareholder fees table. Every line item in that shareholder fees table is going to be tagged with a separate XDX element. This particular row is tagged as shareholder fees other. Every column in a table will also be tagged with a specific element to represent what class it's being tagged as. This same concept applies to footnotes. If you have a footnote that needs to be tagged, the footnote number is tagged, as well as the footnote text. This allows you to embed XBRL information directly into your HTML to make it easier to convert from one to the other. Once we've gone through our HTML document and tagged every summary in the prospectus with XDX information, we can turn that HTML document directly into XBRL without any need for intermediary steps. Let's take a look at how that will work. To generate XBRL from your HTML document, all you have to do is go to Create XFR from your HTML document. This will pick up the document you're currently working on and walk you through a brief setup wizard. It's detecting the taxonomy chosen when you set up your XDX document, and it's automatically reading in any information that was filled in our XDX document. If we hit Finish here, it will run through the HTML document, pull in any relevant facts, and generate an XBRL prospectus for you. Looking at our summary presentation, we can see that our 3 tagged series are included as columns, and every tagged XBRL element is included as a fact. To double check the content of a fact, just right-click on it and go to Edit Cell. This will bring up an HTML edit window where you can see the information contained in that fact. Information tagged in tables in your XDX document is brought in as separate schedules. Once you have your information imported into our XBRL format, you can save this as an XFR file. After you've imported the information from HTML into your XBRL document, You can actually proof that directly to the SEC's previewer using a built-in connector in GoFiler. Let's take a look at that. Once we have our XBRL document, we can proof it to the SEC previewer by going to Tools, Proof with SEC Previewer. This is using a scripting language built into GoFiler to connect to the SEC's previewer and generate a local copy for you. Once the script finishes, it generates a copy of the preview that looks exactly like what you will see when you submit it to the SEC. Let's review some key terminology discussed in this video. XDX stands for XBRL Data Exchange, and it is NovaWorks' solution to embedding XBRL information into an HTML file. XFR stands for XBRL Financial Report, and it is our solution in how to store XBRL on your computer. Instead of storing 6 separate XBRL files, we store it as a single XFR file. XBRL stands for Extensible Business Reporting Language, and it is the SEC's language for reporting financial information for 10Qs, 10Ks, and risk return filings. Thank you for watching this video, and for more information, please contact us at 585-424-1700 or visit our website. Thank you.